been caught!
Who are you?
I'm Penny. Please, do you think you can untangle me?
I'll try. What are you?
A swan. Oh, mind you don't hurt yourself on this hook. No point in us both getting damaged.
A swan?
Typical me. My first migration and what happened?
Your first what?
Migration. The cold weather is setting in, and we're leaving today for the warm land.
Leaving?
You're funny with all these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everyone calls me ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. The stage I'll go through. You should have heard some of the things they called me before the mold. Penny dreadful, penny plain, penny dropping.
Christmas Penny? How could anyone call you names?
Well, like I say, the stage I'll go through.
Could you lift up your wings?
Mother always warned me to avoid the fishing lines that people leave behind.
So did mine. She used to tell me when we were out swimming. There. Just one more loop around your leg.
Oh, thank you. I thought I was going to be left behind, and this is no place to spend the winter alone. Where's your flock?
I don't know. I'm lost. I was separated from my family, and the more I look for him, the more it seems I wander away.
Oh, that's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
In the spring? You've been lost since the spring? You poor thing. You cannot stay here for the winter. You'll freeze.
No, I'll be all right.
Penny! Come with me. The others won't mind, and in the spring we'll return together, and I'll help you find your family.
No, I couldn't.
Of course you could. No commander will never catch up.
No, I can't. I can't fly. At least not well enough to go with you.
Doesn't matter if you're not as strong as the others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your pace.
It sounds wonderful. It really does. It's just I need to find my mother. I know she can't be far away. Maybe in the spring we could meet up again?
I'd like that. Are you sure you'll be all right?
I'm sure. Penny, come along, darling. We'll be late.
I hate to leave you here like this, but I really have to go now. Goodbye. Thank you again. I won't forget you.
I've seen butterflies on blue clouds drinking in the dew. Cobwebs in the sun alive, gleaming. I've seen them too. I've seen woodlands in the autumn, falling leaves of every shade and hue. I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I've seen you. I've seen waterfalls cascading, sparkling in the light, damselflies that dance